Welcome to my festive show in Asia Talk.
Indian flag in Germany.
It's a good thing.
But we are not animals. We are for India.
Today I am gonna introduce you to such a great personality.
We are animals. They had two wings. I am glad today I am the part of this beautiful show ASL. India is for India. We are human.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my festive show in Asia Talk by America Spoken Language Travel Limited. This is Kosal here as a host, and this show is going to be exciting. So, firstly, let's give a big hand for our eminent judges and quick waiting audience. So, the secret of happiness is freedom, and the secret of freedom is courage. Today, I am gonna introduce you to such a great personality, seeing whom our entire country is proud on her, because she hosted the first Indian flag in foreign and warned that we will snatch the freedom from Britishers. So she is also known as a mother of revolution. So guys, do you have any guess that who would be here?
Annie Besant.
No, you are wrong.
Sarojini Naidu.
No, sir, you are wrong. So without getting late, let's bring out our guest. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the most legendary and charitable personality, Mrs. Bikaji Kama. Let's give a big hand.
Bharat Mata ki! Bharat Mata ki! Inkilab! Inkilab!
So how are you feeling right now?
After attending this show, so my feelings are amazing. And yes, the energy of this room is so awesome.
Okay. So we are very delighted. So please have a seat, ma'am. First of all, I want to know that how are you?
I'm too good, and I'm glad today I'm the part of this beautiful show ASL Talks.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. As per our resources, we got to know that you are from opulent family, or you put your life legacy. But except of it, you chosen the struggleful and wealthy weekends life. So, what the reason and inspiration behind it?
Yes, I sacrificed my opulence and comfortable life because I love my country too much. And I have been seeing since my childhood the Britishers. They are oppressing Indian, and they treat us like we are animals. But we are not animals. We are human. They treat us like we are non-living things, and they are ruling all over India, and we are just slaves. So we have rights. We want to live our life as we wish. So that time I decided I would raise my voice against the Britishers. I can't stand any single British in India.
So, ma'am, it's a good thing that you raise your voice against the Britishers.
Yes.
So, ma'am, about your sacrifice, I want you to call please. Okay. So, like during the late 90s, when the took out the big bomb. So, at that time, all people were worried and wanted to save their lives, but you only were busy to saving others people. So, why didn't you think about yourself that you could get that decision?
As you know, I am social worker. You are talking about the incident of 1896. Yes, plague was a plague disease. Plague disease was spreading over there, and at that time I was in Bombay, and this disease was spreading over there. And yes, that time I had only one motive. I had how would I save their life? I wanted to save their life. Those persons who were suffering from this disease, they had two pains. I'm talking about first pain is related to disease, and second pain we are suffering. We are suffering now because this pain it is being given by Britishers. So and yes, and I also affected by this disease. And that time I took a treatment, and a doctor advised me you should go Europe for taking rest. But no, I didn't go Europe, and I went to London. I went to London in 1902. Yes.
After going to London, you have visited so many countries and
Yes.
places. So which place and which country was memorable for you?
Memorable country, so I would have to say Germany. Yes, Germany is my memorable country.
So why Germany is memorable?
Germany is a very memorable country for me because I hosted my first Indian flag in Germany, and there is a place Stuttgart. So I hosted this flag in Germany. So it is very memorable day for me.
Okay. So when you hosted the flag over there, so what kind of impact did you see?
If I talk about of impact, so that time impact was good, and yes, impact is good now because a wave of revolution is spreading in every corner of India, and the spark of revolution has ignited in everywhere because everybody wants freedom, and nowadays everybody is struggling for freedom. So that is the good impact. That is the good impact for me and country.
It's a good thing. Okay. So now the first flag which is designed by you. So why did you choose a particular design? You should choose other one.
Yes, this flag is made by me, and you can see. Actually, when I went to Germany, so that time it was the conference. It was the international conference, and every member had the symbol of his and her country, but I didn't have. So that time I decided I made a symbol. So I designed this flag, and I hosted this flag. It is the symbol of my country, and yes, this is not a very simple flag because I wanted to unite every religion in one day. So that's why I designed this flag, and very special flag because this flag is represent so many things. So if you have permission, so I would love to tell.
Yes, you can.
So I would love to tell you these three colors: green, yellow, and red. These three colors represent the three religions: Islam, Buddhist, and Hindu. And in this flag, you can see 8 lotus. So 8 lotus represent 8 British province of India, and there is a moon and a sun. So moon represent Islam religion, and the sun is represent Sanatan. So this is the
It's a good thing that you believe in equality. So when you was in foreign country, at that time Britishers told you to come back to India, but you at that time you decided that you would not go over there and you denied. So why didn't you go?
I wanted to go India, but there that time British government, we had so many conditions that time. I wanted to go India, but they said to me, if you go to India, so you would have lived a very normal life like other live. But no, I cannot live such kind of life, and so that time I decided no, I would not go in India, and the British government. They would seize my all properties and all. So that time I said to him, it doesn't matter I am in London, I am in Paris, I am in Germany, and I am in India. I raise my voice against you every time.
Okay. So now it's a time of audience. They will ask questions from you. Okay. So audience, now it's your turn. So you may ask any kind of question from us.
Ma'am, what do you think that how people will continue your work which you have started for equality?
Equality. We must have unity, and we should start work together. So that is the reason we can achieve anything. We can achieve anything if we have unity. After that, we can do.
Okay, Madam Kama, basically I just want to know why did you decide Germany for unfurling our flag? Why not London? Because you were in London as well.
Yes, sir. Actually, the conference was organized in Germany. It was a international conference. So that time I decided no, it is it is good chance. It is good chance, and that is the reason I hosted my first flag over there.
When we were just hosting the flag of India, so what energy were you having in your mind and in your soul?
I was feeling good because I was hosting my Indian flag and my Indian symbol, and I was hosting the flag. So that time, all Britishers they were steering me because I didn't have any symbol that time, but I made this flag. So and I appealed. We want freedom.
Like to give any kind of message to our audience.
Yes, sir, I would love to give a message. So can I start?
Yes, yes.
Actually, march forward. We are for India.
We are for India.
And India is for Indians.
India is for Indians.
Because not for British. Because British they are guests only. And the guests are kept at home only for few days, not for always. So that
Bharat Mata ki! Bharat Mata ki! Bharat Mata ki! Vande! Vande!
We will meet again in next episode of Lesson Talks with new revolutionary story. Till then, be happy, be safe.